Here, the number 2 for poo. Hello everyone, welcome back. Airplane 2. Story 2. My name is Sky. I will be your pilot in this fight. As you can probably tell, this is not a open point. Where's in question I welcome you. Okay. 0.9. You had right. The pirate. Oh my god. We still not how the last fight goes. That's right. Alright. I'm a pinky toe. But in the next video, I'm gonna be a pinky toe now. I promise in the next video, you'll be story free of being a pinky toe. Oh, whoa! That was cool. He did it. Just do it. I have been around. Did everyone did see that? See what? Welcome. What is this? See what? Oh my god! Oh. Oh no, I'm sorry for what we did. Oh no, you got breath. Look at this mess you did. Oh my god. What you do? Grab something like you can sweep the floor with. Oh, this. Yes, no, but create this. The food is not ready yet. What? Oh no, it's getting ready. It's getting ready. Are you ready? Time to cook. No. The soup needs. Well, it works. Dinners, everyone take a seat. Well, I want to take a seat. You should take a seat, boys. 3 girls. This is be a lot of girls and 1 boy. That girl says over there, and this girl says made me. It's my girlfriend now. Hold on. Hopefully. Oh, it was the food. It was just so amazing. We got a passcode. We got the passcode. How? Oh no, he always saw us the next plane. Ooh, look at this room, my friends. See, ooh, it's nighttime now. How do we get out there? It's nighttime already. Oh no, he's a hacker. Nope, he's a hacker. He's a hacker. I can sweep. Oh no, it's like Smoky, but it's like a sweep whooper. No, that game can sweep. It's like a sweep whooper. No, he's a hacker. No. Guys, the curtain. What curtain? Oh yeah. Oh no. What the monster? Do not say. Oh no. is the monster from Airplane Story 1. Did you find about me so ready? Oh, I have to go! No. Run! Go, go, go! Run! Oh, somebody died. Go! This is like doors, but like a Sheik chase. This is like door Sheik chase. No, I have to go. Come on, go, go, go! Come on, come on. Sometimes it's like something like do something like treat me. I went to one of the words. I want to say a coma. I don't know. What? No. Yes, go, go. Oh my god. That was the terrible thing ever happened to me. Now we're up here. Oh, call 911. Yep, call 911. We are safe now. The screen is black. Oh, okay. Dude, the monster right shot at us. Now we're moving. Oh no, the monster is still there. Woohoo! The monster is still there. Oh no, don't left kill. What should we do now? Oh my gosh, Jesus! Do this two trick chase. Oh my god, go, go, go! Oh no, no! Go, go. What? Wait, we go over here? No! No! Oh my goodness, go here! No! Oh my goodness! No! Ah, no! It's chasing me! They're chasing me! Now, oh my god, what happened? Now we're in here. Get everyone here. Is here. What is going on? Yeah, I know. We showed that monster. Did we follow us here? The good news, I'm not a church part. I'm not also, yeah. Oh no, you should be a monster. Well, you should have followed the rules. No, Rick, we escaped the first plane. But no, we escaped the second plane. Oh, we'll take a gun. I got shoot the monster, okay. There you guys. We've been working for you. Yeah, yes. Yep. It's over. We did it. Oh no. What? That's a gun. That's the gun. What? That gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane to kill us. Wait, it's a sky infection? The one of you. You are making a hard mistake. Wait, why are you saying that? We are not imposters. Oh yeah, you are imposters. I don't trust you. Yeah, you don't trust them. Don't trust them. Don't trust them. Once you did that, this is the. Oh my god, he shot it. He is the one master. Now he's dancing. Oh my god, he shot him. He shot him. He was been hiding us. Just the fight top. Oh my god, he was the imposter. He's just lying. God, this is like the sky infection. That is crazy. Thank you for something, my wife. My god. Oh my god, once again. That was so scary. Let's go home. Yeah, we should. At rest is finally gone now. Finally gone. Yay. My skin's turned blue again. I got a badge. Airplane Story 2. Victory. My skin turned blue again. Well, that's Airplane 2 story. Beat the game. So, remember the first game and the second game? Well, that's Airplane Story. And see you guys back in Airplane Story 3.